Boba pearls, also known as tapioca pearls, are the chewy stars of bubble tea. Those soft, stretchy little balls at the bottom of your drink add fun texture and make every sip exciting. While store-bought boba is convenient, homemade boba pearls taste fresher, have better chew, and are surprisingly easy to make with just a few ingredients. If you love bubble tea, this recipe lets you recreate that cafe experience right in your kitchen. Hi, and welcome to Dobby's Signature. For the full list of ingredients, do check the description below. Let's jump right in. To begin, we'll start by making the sugar syrup. In a small pan, add water and brown sugar. Heat until the sugar dissolves and the mixture starts to boil. Reduce the heat to low. Add about 1/2 cup of tapioca starch to the hot syrup. Stir quickly until it forms a thick, sticky dough. Remove from the heat and gradually add the remaining starch. Then, knead until smooth and non-sticky. Dust with starch if needed. Roll the dough into long, thin ropes. Cut into tiny pieces. Roll each piece into small balls. Lightly dust with tapioca starch to prevent sticking. And your tapioca pearls are ready. To cook the boba pearls, you'll bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Add the pearls and stir gently. Cook for 5 to 10 minutes until they float and become chewy. Turn off the heat, cover, and let it sit for another 10 minutes. Drain the pearls. Now, we can't just use the pearls like that. We have to sweeten the pearls. To do this, we'll make another brown sugar syrup. add the pearls to the warm brown sugar syrup. Let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes for flavor. And your tapioca pearls are ready. You can use this immediately by adding it to your milk tea, fruit tea, or iced coffee. Please note that it's best used fresh, same day, for maximum chewiness. Here are some tips for perfect boba. Always add tapioca starch to hot liquid, not cold. If the dough cracks, add a few drops of hot water. Keep pearls warm in syrup to prevent hardening. Enjoy! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Until next time, bye-bye.